Good morning, students. Example 4. In each of the following pair of decimal number, find which number is greater. First part is you have to compare these two numbers 452.05 and second number is 452.07. After decimal there are two digits 05 and 07. So 4 leave it because they are same. 5 and 2 452 is same, but after point here 0, here 0 and 7, so 7 is greater than 5, so 452.07 is greater than 452.05. Second part is 37.49 and 37.493. So these two numbers are uh, not like terms, so we have to make them like decimals. Put 0 here. Now 37.490, 37.493. 49493 is greater than 0, so this number is greater than 0. Now next is some basic units are there. In case of money, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, or 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees, that is 0 rupees 0.01. This is first. Second, length we measure in millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, that is 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. Then 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, that is 0.001 kilometer. Next part is weight, or we said mass and weight, that is 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram, and 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram, that is 0.001 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, or 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram, that is 0.001 kilogram. Now capacity, like volume, 1000 ml milliliter is equal to 1 liter, and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter, that is 0.001 liter. 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter, and 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter is equal to 0.001 kiloliter. Now come to example number 5. Example 5 is express as rupees using decimals. First part is 23 paise we have to convert it into rupees. That is equal to 23 by 100 rupees. That is decimal is here 1 2 0.23 rupees. Second part is 66 rupees and 6 paise. That is equal to 66 plus 6 by 100 rupees. That is 66 plus 0.06. That is 66.06 rupees. Third is 3,217 paise. That is 3,217 upon 100 rupees. That is 112. So 3.1.7 rupees. Next example is example number 6. Express 35 millimeter. Example 6, first part. Express 35 in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now 35 is equal to 35 by 10 centimeter. That is 3.5 centimeter. Now to convert this into meter, 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 upon 100 meter. That is equal to 0.035 meter. Now 0.035 meter is equal to 0.035 upon 1000 kilometer. That is 0. Now decimal moves 1 2 3 at 0.000035 kilometer. Second part is express 650 milliliters in liters and kiloliters. 650 milliliter is equal to 650 upon 1000 liter. That is equal to, now decimal is here 1 2 3, 0.650 liter. Now 0.650 liter is equal to 0.650 upon 1000 kiloliter. That is equal to, now decimal move 1 2 3, 0.00065 kiloliter. Now next is addition of decimals. Addition of decimal numbers. Now when we add two decimal numbers, we have to write the number in such a way that the decimal of one number lies directly below the decimal point of the other. For example, see in example 7, 37.0927 plus 376.968. Now first we write 37.37.0927. Now decimal of this under this decimal. Now write 6 in under 7, 7 under 3 and 3, and 9 6 8. Now put 0 here, make them like decimals, and add as usually. 7 8 plus 2 10 1 16 1 10 1 then 14, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, So answer is 414.0607. Now next part is, this is first part. Now second part is add 5.8769 plus 9.5038 plus 6.75 plus 5.6. Now 5.8769, 9.5038, now 6.75, make it like term by putting 0, 5.600 and add. Now 9 plus 8 17, 1, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 1, 12 plus 1 13, 1, 27, 2, 7 plus 9 16, 27. So answer is 27.7307. Now in example, now subtraction of decimal, that same way we have to subtract. Evaluate 9.4 minus 5.8147. So 9.4, 5.8147, make it like decimals by putting 0, subtract it. Now this is 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 1 8, 3, 13 minus 8 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer is 3.5853. Now second part is 36.36 minus 28.4237 minus 9.78 plus 7.7. Now first positive numbers, add them. 36.36 and 7.7, make it like term by putting zeros. Now add these positive terms. 6 0 1 14 144.06. And now negative terms we have to add. 28.4237, 9.78, make it like decimal by putting 0. Now add again this 7 3 0 12 1 18 38.2037. Now subtract 44.06 minus 38.2037, make it like terms. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, and 10 minus 2 is 8, and 13 minus 8 is 5, 3 minus is 0. So answer is 5.8563. 5.8563. Now example number 9 is a statement sum. Example 9. Shama brought 5 kg 300 gram apples, 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla brought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who brought more fruits by how much? Now Shama bought apples is equal to 5 kg 300 grams. That is converted into 5.30 kg. Now Shama bought oranges. No, Shama bought apples, mangoes is equal to 3 kg 250 gram. That is 3.250 kg. Now therefore total of this is total weight is equal to 5.300 and 3.250. That is 055.8 kg 550 gram. Now next part is Sarla bought oranges, that is equal to 4 kg 150 gram, that is 4.150 kg. And Sarla bought bananas is equal to 4 kg 150 gram, 4 kg 800 gram. This is oranges is 800 gram, sorry, and this is 150 gram, that is 4.150 kg. Add this 059.8, so 8.950 kg. Who bought more? Sarla bought more fruits. By how much? That is 8.950 minus 8.550, 0040, that is 400 gram. Thank you.